Want to browse the web with bulletproof privacy and unlock a world of content? Here's your ultimate guide to adding Surfshark VPN to Google Chrome. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser. We're going to head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar or by directly navigating to Chrome.com Web Store. Once you're there, locate the search bar at the top left, type in Surfshark VPN and hit enter. This will bring up the official Surfshark VPN extension. You'll see the official Surfshark VPN extension in the search results. Look for the blue icon, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up box will appear asking for permission to add the extension. Review the permissions and then click Add Extension. Surfshark will now be added to your Chrome browser, and you'll see its icon appear next to your address bar. You'll notice the Surfshark icon, usually a stylized shark fin, appear in your Chrome toolbar. Click on this icon to open the Surfshark VPN interface. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Surfshark account credentials. Use the email and password you registered with when you signed up for Surfshark. Once logged in, you'll see a list of servers for the fastest connection. You can often click the Quick Connect button, which automatically selects the best server for you. Alternatively, you can manually choose a server location by browsing the list of countries. Simply click on your desired country and then click the large Connect button. You'll know you're connected when the icon turns green and indicates your new IP address. To fine-tune your experience, click on the settings cogwheel here. You can explore options like Clean Web to block ads and trackers, Camouflage Mode for extra disguise, and Bypasser for choosing which apps or websites use the VPN. And that's it. You've successfully added Surfshark VPN to Chrome, securing your online activity and unlocking unrestricted internet access. Enjoy a safer, more private browsing experience.